Hi folks, this is Darren with My RV Works. I'm just going to do a very quick demonstration. There's a lot of debate on the internet involving Lippert and involving these Schwinn-Tech in-wall slide systems. The debate goes something like this, that you never put any lubricant on this rack. Lippert will tell you, Lippert, I love you, okay, but I'm about to demonstrate something and I want to hear Lippert. I would like you to reply back to me on this. Lippert is going to say, you never lubricate this rack, okay? Well, we're building this, we're rebuilding this, and here is the bearing block, okay? Here we have the wheel and all this kind of stuff. So if I am a motor and I can't go any farther here on this. I'm having to put a lot of big, strong muscles, right? To push this, it's as far as I can go right there, okay? So now I'm gonna try to get it back, okay? They're saying you don't need to lubricate that. So what I'm saying, power lube with PTFE. Let's see what that does, okay? I'm gonna squirt it in this track right here, which is what I've always recommended doing, okay? All I've done is that I put it in that track. Now let's see what that's done. It might take a time or two, but let's just see. Already I can feel it's getting easier. Look at that. Okay, so what I would like to hear, Lippert, you're telling people, do not lubricate this with anything, leave it dry. And you just saw a demonstration of what I was experiencing in fixing these things. And it's like, who are you gonna listen to? The guy in the field that has fixed hundreds of these, and overwhelmingly they break because they're not lubricated. It's up to you folks on who you're gonna listen to. I love you all. It's just my opinion. But I'm the one that's fixing these, and you just saw how hard this was not lubricated. So anyway, already it's so much better. Now, if I'm a motor that we have up top, if I'm a motor trying to spin this thing, I got my hands full just bringing the slide room in and out, not to mention having to overcome all this dry stuff. So that's all I wanted to share with you. So this is Darren. We are in Sequim, Washington, John Wayne RV Park. I think John Wayne used to own it. Pretty cool. Yes. Beautiful boats out there, and it's getting late and getting dark, and we got to get this done. So thanks for watching. If this was helpful, like, subscribe, all the above. So until the next video, thanks for watching.